In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand what Microsoft Copilot Pro is. It's an incredible feature that brings the power of artificial intelligence right into your spreadsheets. Imagine a tool that can help analyze data, generate insights, and even automate repetitive tasks. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's what Copilot aims to do in Excel, making your work not only more efficient, but also much more enjoyable. Now, before we dive into the process of enabling Copilot Pro, it's essential to make sure you have the right version of Excel. Copilot is available in Microsoft 365, so you'll need an active subscription. Ensure that you're using the latest version of Excel to access this feature, as Microsoft continuously rolls out updates to enhance functionality. Okay, once you've confirmed that you have the right subscription and version, let's go ahead and open Excel. You can launch it from your desktop, the Start menu, or however you prefer. Once it's open, you might need to log in to your Microsoft account. This is important because Copilot requires your Microsoft 365 credentials to function correctly. After you've logged in, navigate to a new or existing workbook where you want to use Copilot. You can easily create a new spreadsheet by clicking on New or opening one that you've previously worked on. Now, once you're on your chosen worksheet, look for the ribbon at the top of your Excel window. This ribbon contains different tabs, and here's where our focus shifts to the Home tab. Within the Home tab, take a moment to look for an icon or section related to Copilot. This may vary slightly depending on your version, but it should be relatively easy to spot. If you see the Copilot icon or a mention of it, you've struck gold. Now it's time to actually enable it. If the icon is grayed out or unresponsive, that may indicate a few settings need to be checked. So let's do a quick run-through of some settings. Head over to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, select Options to open the Options dialog. In the Options menu, look for the Add-ins section. This is where you can manage any additional features or services that you want activated within Excel. Make sure that Copilot or any related plugins are checked and enabled. Next, while you're still in the Options window, let's quickly check your privacy settings. Click on Trust Center and then select Trust Center Settings. Ensure that the settings in this menu allow for add-ins to function unrestricted. Sometimes, overly restrictive privacy settings can block new features from activating. Once you're all set up in your options, go back to your workbook. This time, try clicking on the Copilot icon again. If everything is enabled correctly, you should see a sidebar open up on the right side of your Excel window. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the Copilot sidebar, you'll find various functionalities at your fingertips. For instance, you might start seeing suggestions dynamically generated based on the data you have in your spreadsheet. Copilot can even assist you in creating formulas, summarizing data, generating charts, and so much more. All you need to do is type in your request or a question and observe as Copilot works its wonders. And there you have it. Enabling Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel is a straightforward process as long as you have the right permissions and keep the application updated. With Copilot by your side, you're sure to enhance your productivity and take your Excel skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to give us a like if you learned something new today.